happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today, it's all about the Life Q10 by Soundcore. It's really got a great and amazing headphones. Enough of me talking. Let us just dive in and unbox this kind of bad boy. Woo! There we go. As you can see, guys, this is the Life Q10 by Soundcore and Anker. It's really kind of impressive. And they're saying this kind of stuff has a bass up. That means it's really kind of bass, and I just wanna hear the bass. If it's really good, then I think Behance D02, they're supposed to push themselves for the D03 and make something dope. But this Anker, I think it's really kind of dope. So guys, here we have it. We're gonna just peel it and see what's packed inside. I just wanna see, I'm just so pumped, you know what I mean? I'm just so pumped. High clarity sound. It says it's an high clarity sound, which is really kind of impressive. You get a 60 hours of playtime. Wow! It's a USB Type-C. Impressive. And it's having a bass up and a high-res audio. This is cool. I'm impressed. I just want to know. Ooh, is it for real? Let us just do this way. Let me just adjust that. Let me just keep things steady. Let us just see what's inside. Woo! So what's in here? You're getting an aux cable, which is really kind of impressive. Getting a USB Type-C charger, which is really kind of cool. This is really dope. I like this. It's really premium. And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, this is the bad boy. Woo! Finally, I forgot something. Let me just return it. Woo! Paperwork. Now this kind of paperwork, I like it because it comes with the nylon. That means you have just to read it. Getting some brief, it's really important. I know some of you guys hate paperwork, but please guys, just have a time and look at it. Even looking at it, it's okay. Now you can see here, you're getting something. I knew there was like something like an Easter egg. So you sound great. Not as good as I hoped. So it's really kind of good. How do we? It's really written, how do we? I was like, how do we do? We're doing great, Soundcore. So let me just keep this one aside. You can see this is like it's an exclamation mark, means it's something. And yeah, you're just gonna read. And another kind of stuff, you're getting this kind of good and amazing printout of the way it states and the way you're gonna use it. It's really kind of awesome. You can see here how you're gonna use your bass up, and you can just allow the bass up. It seems like it's having an ANC, but it's not ANC in such. It's just a bass up. If you want to get bass, you want to get far away from this earth, you're gonna just turn on the bass up. Okay, back to our bad boy. Before we get started, we're gonna just unbox it. You thought that before we get started, I'm just gonna quit it. No, we're gonna just unbox this kind of bad boy. Woo! It looks premium, I'll be honest. This looks premium. Looks different than even the Behance D02 Pro. This is something else. It looks really premium. Now we're gonna just do that. We're gonna remove on this one. Impressive. I kind of love the way they kept these kind of ports. You can see there's a USB Type-C port, an aux cable port, and this is the button, and these are the volume rocker, and this is the bass up. I'll be honest with you guys, throughout this kind of Soundcore, they are really kind of great thing. The Life Q10, it's really awesome. The way they kept it, man, this is what I was waiting for. Compared to the Behance D02 Pro we reviewed last time. Now, right now, I'm gonna play some music on Spotify, and I'm gonna share with you guys throughout the camera there on the microphone side, so as you can get an idea. Whoa. Now, I'll pause it first. Now, there's a button somewhere here. It's called the bass up. It says bass up. Itself, it says bass up. It's impressive. Woo! Here we go. Whoa. Now I want you guys to pay close attention on something. I'm gonna pause it and play it. Bass up.
Normal.
That's normal. Now bass up.
Bass up.
Whoa. That's it, guys. I just wanted to give you some flavor, some ingredient, how much this kind of Soundcore they are. The Live Q10, something else. Even the Live 2 Neo, it's just the same thing. I don't know what Soundcore they're doing, but to be honest, on these kind of headphones, hands down. And they're adjusted to. You might be asking yourself, is it just this way? No, you can adjust them as much as you want. Sometimes I forget to share with you guys if they're adjustable or not, but they are adjusted. You can ask me on the comments down below anything about these kind of headphones from Soundcore. Yeah, I can just get back to you guys, and it's really impressive. The color, they just went toward my color. I love this kind of red and black. It's my favorite. It's really kind of great. You can see how much it fits me well. Really great thing. Just check it out how much it is. Even if when it comes to playing game, it would be much perfect because the way they kept it, it's really stealth. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about this kind of bad boy. Are these kind of bad boys for you, or what are you thinking about them? Because they're really awesome. 60 hours of playtime, it's something else. I've never heard of 60 hours of playtime. So these kind of headphones, Soundcore promises you to give you 60 hours of playtime. So 60 hours of playtime and none 60 hours of playtime by only having aux cable around you. It's really impressive. I'm skeptical. To the scale of 10 to 0, this kind of bad boy, it scores 10. Category of headphones, this bad boy scores 10 and it's budget. It's quite not expensive. It's a budget headphones. You can afford it. Yes, you can afford it. It's a budget headphones and you will forever loving them. You won't hate them, you love them, you just love the way the music it is. It's really great. The only thing, only disclaimer, it does not have an ANC, active noise cancellation from this bad boy. There's none, but it's really impressive. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed on this video today of unboxing through all these kind of Soundcore Live Q10. It's a really kind of great and amazing kind of product from Soundcore, and I really appreciate Soundcore products. They're really awesome, they're really dope. That's what's up. Last but not least, I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.